Evaluate your choices, conflicts you avoiding. You can see more clearly when you keep it in perspective.
What's up? This is Twan. I'm an ambassador of peace and the member of Rhythms of Peace Education. That's the acronym for ROPE, in case you didn't know. Today I want to speak on anger. Just want to bring a couple facts on anger and getting straight into it. Number one, no one makes us angry. Whether we realize it or not, we make a conscious choice to respond to an individual or a situation that anger. But anger, just like all other emotions, is fueled by our thoughts and the way that we understand the world around us. So if we think negative thoughts that fuel and justify our anger, then we're making a choice to become angry. Number two, anger is a secondary emotion. It's a secondary emotion. So in other words, when somebody says something that we disagree with, usually we don't feel anger immediately. Although it may seem instantaneous, we don't feel that anger immediately. It's usually come from some secondary emotions such as embarrassment or disappointment, hurt, or annoyance, or even fear. So, anger is second. It comes second to another emotion, a primary emotion, such as the examples that I brought before. So, just bringing a couple facts on anger, and I'll leave you with this. We create our own anger by the way we think, our attitude, and our choices. So think about that.
Bigger picture, keep it in perspective before you jump to conclusions or dive off the deep end, drowning over reaction or run into impulsive actions. Ask yourself, am I acting irrational? Have I lost self-control? Is my anger unmanaged? Am I grasping at